Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this dark yet sultry purple smoky eye look. So if you'd like to learn more, please keep watching. All right, so I'm getting started with Kat Von D's Saint Sinner palette, which as you guys know is like my favorite palette, and I'm using the color Rosary. Now I'm using that color like in the inner corner of my eye just to make it my transition color, because even though I want to do a dark smoky eye look, I still want a little bit of color to pop. So I'm going to go ahead and use that color on here. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the color Rapture right over the transition color that I just used. And Rapture is nice because it's kind of a different shade of pink, so it'll bring a little bit of dimension to my transition color. Now I'm going to put a matte brown eyeshadow from MAC on my eyelid. I don't have the exact name of this eyeshadow just because it was a while ago when I purchased it, but it is definitely like a dark chocolate brown and it's a matte color. Now I'll say when you're doing a smoky eye look, one tip that I learned which was really useful was to go on with a brown eyeshadow first before you put a black eyeshadow. And this brown base just allows for the black eyeshadow to show more solidly, and it just looks smoother. It doesn't look like transparent or like you can see through the black a little bit. It makes it look a lot more dark. So now I'm going to go ahead and use black eyeshadow, and I'm also using a MAC eyeshadow, which I don't have the name of this one either, but you can find just a regular matte black and put it over the brown base. Going in with the color Worship in my inner transition color, and that is more of a purple color. So I'm changing this transition color so that it has shades of pink and purple on it. And you just want to make sure that every time you are putting on different eyeshadow colors that you are continuously blending these colors so that they kind of transition seamlessly and don't look like you can see every line of every single transitioning color. So now I'm just putting liquid foundation on my face, and I'm not going to put too much information regarding the face makeup or the name of the brands that I used because I wanted to focus this video specifically on my eye look.
I know you see it, girl, this ain't sitting real good in my soul. Everywhere this little girl goes, she pick up another obstacle. She was my heart, I don't know the tribe or the fall, but by default, she don't think of me. I thought she was an Indian. She be slanging things like a simian. All my life I wanted me an Indian. Now she's far away, but I had to know. Listen, I know you see it, girl, this ain't sitting real good in my soul. Everywhere this little girl goes, she pick up another obstacle. She was my heart, I don't know the tribe or the fall, but by default, she don't think of me. I thought she was an Indian. She be slanging things like a simian.
So what I like to do is after I put my eyeshadow on, I like to use my concealer brush to kind of blend out my eyeshadow so that when it transitions from the inner corner of my eye to my eyebrow, it looks smooth and it blends out nicely. So I take some time doing that. It's definitely optional. You don't have to do this, but I just find that the color looks really pretty when I actually do this.
Think it wasn't good to intervene and I lost it to the world and the girls and the posters. Entertain, I doubt it'll pay and it cost her. I ain't mad at me, but it hurt. And I thought she wasn't in it. Now she only worried about the Benjamins. She been looking in my dreams. I swear that eyes on me. Good night at all. I swear that eyes on me. I swear that eyes on me. I swear that eyes on me. I swear that eyes on me.
And last but not least, putting under eyeshadow on. So I'm actually using Fenty Beauty's Kilowatt Foil in the color Sangria Sunset. And this is such a gem. I feel like under eyeshadow makes your eyes look so much more dramatic. Kind of like when you discover like putting mascara on your bottom eyelashes, it gives that same effect. So I love doing this now, and I chose to go with a lighter color so that the smoky eye doesn't look so dark. I'm also going to put a little bit of the matte black eyeshadow here just so that everything looks even from top to bottom. Lastly, I just like to make sure that I catch any fallout eyeshadow with a straight edge sponge. This usually has some leftover setting powder on it, so I'll go under my eye, and this also allows me to shape my under eyeshadow and make everything even and crisp. And there you guys have it. This is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!